This is India Rose, founder of the Pearl Girls in Athens, Georgia, and today I wanted to talk to you about rings. So Dawn in Michigan sent us her pearl ring. The only problem with her pearl ring is it doesn't look like a pearl ring anymore. It looks like a ring with sort of this like weird white bead on top. And I'm going to tell you why, because we replace a lot of pearls in rings. That's part of our Reknot and repair department. That's a lot of what we do. In Japanese Coil Pearl production, what happens is they take a oyster, nucleate it, so they put a little something inside, nucleate, with a mother of pearl bead. And the oyster forms the pearl on top of the bead. The minimum requirement of pearl making material on top of that bead is less than 1 millimeter. So you got to imagine the majority of that pearl is a bead. It's not really a pearl. I typically do not choose to work with the Coil Pearls for this reason, although they can be absolutely gorgeous. We see tons of gorgeous Coil Pearls, but you have to, it's tricky, right? You need a pearl with a lot of pearl making material on top of this bead. So what happens in rings is that pearl making material seems to rub off or come off really fast. So if you buy a ring with an Coil Pearl on it, all of our rings that we carry, we don't put any Coil Pearls in our rings. If you buy one, it's gonna look gorgeous because Coil Pearls are beautiful, but over time, they will rub off and you will eventually have a mother of pearl bead sitting on your ring. With this ring, it's really great. You can even, if I look at the bottom of it, I can still kind of see where it's pearly on the, I'll see if I can photograph it and show it to you. But the top is all rubbed off. So what we're gonna do for Dawn is we're gonna take this pearl off. I'm gonna replace it with a different pearl, a nice, pretty, round, non-nucleated pearl, a pearl that doesn't have a bead inside of it, so it'll really stand the test of time for her, and we'll get it back in the mail to her back to Michigan. Thank you so much for watching. This is India Rose, founder of the Pearl Girls in Athens, Georgia. Bye-bye.